All right, so we're getting ready to go out for practice. We ended up qualifying 6th last night with a score of 94. I tried to put a crazy run in together, but it didn't quite happen. Got an 88 on the second run. So our first run score of a 94 put us in 6th. Our first battle is with Taguchi. He drives R35 Skyline. He's from Japan. I got the liberty of meeting him during our Japanese trip over there. He works at Up Garage over there, so it's cool. So any of you guys that go over there, you can hit him up. So we have him as first battle, and then it looks like we'll likely have either, I think it's Alec Hohnadell or Austin Meeks. And then it looks like after that we'll likely have Aasbo. Car's good enough to beat everybody at this point now. If everybody gets faster, it could get to be pretty knife edge and tough to drive to be able to keep up with some of those dudes, but we'll see how we do here in practice and try to throw the kitchen sink at the car for grip and do everything we can to use all of the horsepower that we currently have. So should be good. I'm excited to go out and drive. I feel like we can win this event if all goes as planned, and yeah, let's go do this. We got my car nice.
Just don't fall asleep out there.
Car nice and low.
Don't fall asleep out there, son.
It's looking good.
Body's looking good.
Third place is Travis. I wasn't even out of the car yet. Get the f over here, like jump the fence. Push in the golf cart, run up to the podium. They're like, okay, say yeah, this person.
I hear that rotor hat shake.
Get off. Your teams, get up there. Like they were like bam, bam, bam. Like we have 30 seconds to get
shade.
What's
going on, man?
I'm just gonna be behind you guys.
I get nervous. I'm probably more
Do you
nervous.
get butterflies like me?
I'm probably more nervous than him right now.
Just don't say anything stupid.
Stupid.
What about anything?
Hi, bro.
Get it done.
Exactly what he had to do. Well done, Chelsea.
Attaboy,
well done,
buddy.
Well done, bro. Just like a book, son.
Looks like we got another run on them tires.
Yeah, that was the plan. Yo, I saw you go cool too. I was like, that Chelsea, he's stinky. You didn't do the turnaround like him. You're like, nope, I'm cooling the tires off right now. That's what's happening.
I was like, fuck that.
Yep.
Good job, bro.
Thanks, man.
Fuck, that was awesome to watch. Do it 4 more.
Hot. Woo. Got back out of top 32 against Taguchi. I did a lead run, pulled him pretty good. He made a couple of mistakes behind me. Just tried to keep the rubber underneath the car the entire lap. And then on the chase, played it smart, 2-car gap the whole time. Closing it, showing that I was commanding, but also self-control so I don't get stupid on him. Everything was good. The setup was perfect. It was super easy to drive, and excited to go into top 16.
Hold them up. Who's gonna win? Where my Chelsea United fans at? Where my Alec Hohnadell fans at? Where my Truckee fans are? Let's set the pose already, Pat. These people run some time, bro. All right, everybody put them down. Everybody put them down. Everybody put your lights down. You're gonna put them up? We're gonna go by you. Shine your lights on. Here we go.
She's like, look at Clayton. And I look over and you're just chilling there with this on. I'm like, oh my gosh. Anyways, so awesome top 16 and top 8 battles. We ran Alec, and honestly, I thought it was going to be one more time with Alec, but they ended up giving me the win, which I'm pretty excited about. I think he put 2 tires off, made some mistakes. And my, oh man, Di's over there popping wheelies on the golf cart. And so anyways, we ended up getting the win. I think he made a couple more mistakes than I did, or the same, and my proximity was better. Then we went to top 8 against Aasbo. We threw the kitchen sink at the car, put all the grip we physically could in, and I did my best to drift the car, basically. And it worked great. We did a follow run where we were right on his door pretty much the entire lap. And then on the lead run, I picked up the throttle a little bit too early in the first turn, ran over the inner clip. Was able to pull off a decent run after that, but it wasn't great. Nothing really all that special. So they ended up giving him the win. I think it could have been one more time because of my chase being so strong. But they're really making the lead run worth quite a bit. So my mistakes knocked me out of that round. But either way, we got some cool things done with the car, experimented with a few things. The car feels solid, the car was ripping, speeds were crazy, and yeah. So I'm pretty excited for this weekend. Ended up top 8 overall, and we have Jersey in 3 weeks to prepare for, but motor ran all weekend, chassis felt good, you know, everything was solid. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, tell your friends about it, and
I'm sure
we'll
they're
do a
gone.
dissecting drifting video.
How
coming out pretty soon.
big units are these?
Later, guys.